Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to service your Ford Focus. Let's start with some easy checks you can do regularly. Always check your fluid levels, like engine oil and coolant, to ensure everything is running smoothly. Don't forget to inspect your tire pressure and tread depth monthly for safety. Replacing your air filter every 12,000 miles is also a simple task that improves engine efficiency. Changing your oil is a fundamental part of car care. First, gather your new oil, a fresh filter, the correct wrench, and a drain pan. Warm your engine for about 5 minutes to help the old oil drain more easily. Next, locate and carefully remove the oil drain plug to let the old oil flow out. Once drained, replace the plug and then remove and install your new oil filter. Your brakes are crucial for safety, so regular checks are important. Listen for any squealing or grinding sounds, which can indicate wear. Pop your hood and check the brake fluid level. It should be between the minimum and maximum lines. Visually inspect your brake pads for wear. Ideally, they should have at least 3 millimeters of material remaining. Finally, confirm all your brake lights illuminate properly. Maintaining your battery and tires helps keep your Focus reliable. Clean your battery terminals to prevent corrosion, which can hinder performance. Check the battery voltage. It should ideally be 12.6 volts or higher. Rotate your tires every 6,000 to 8,000 miles to ensure even wear and extend their lifespan. Always maintain proper tire pressure for optimal safety and fuel efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.